Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can see who you've blocked on TikTok. So if you want to see or view your blocked user list on TikTok, this is what you are going to do. First, you can open your TikTok and then head to your profile. Now just click on these three lines at the top right corner and go to the settings and privacy. And in here, you can just find this account section and just tap on this privacy options. So under the privacy, you can see interaction. Scroll down until you find this blocked account. So if you have any blocked accounts or any TikTok users that you've blocked, you can find it in here by clicking on this, and you'll see the list of blocked accounts on your TikTok. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.